Hello everyone, Halim here from Halim Tech YouTube channel. Today is very important and a very helpful tutorial. We are speaking about how you can convert your PowerPoint file to a video or MP4 format. So how you can convert or change your PPT or PowerPoint file to MP4, or if you have any animations in PowerPoint or any slideshow animation, if you want to change it in a video. Watch this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon also. And if you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Let's start. So for this tutorial, you should open your Microsoft PowerPoint, open it, and then wait to open, and also I will show you how you can change animation of shapes or slide to video. If you want to change your slide to video, or if you want to if you have an animation in PowerPoint, you want to change it to a video, so step by step follow my tutorial. Here I want to just first of all make an animation of shapes, a simple animation. First of all, I add this circle, and now to white. Yes, no outline. So here I want to add for this animation, add an animation. Here is, this is what good, but so here I want to duration is to 2. Now just if you want to make a video for this, you should change this number 1 to 0. So how you can change this number 1 to 0? Here is an option which says animation pan. Click on it, and here just click on this button and change this start and click to start with previous. Now close it, and I will play it for you how it is now. Yes, it works now. So I want to shape and make another animation for it. It's below, change it to no outline. So for this I will make an animation. Here is animations, add animation, scroll down, and then here you can also customize your animation. You can also make animation for your shape. So this is better. But from here to here, and also change this number 1 to 0. Open this animation pan, and here's button, start with previous. The duration is after circle. I will play this animation. So let's play it how it is. Yes, it's excellent now. It's a simple animation, and if you have another animation for in your PowerPoint, you can also change that to a video. So let's now change this animation to a video. So let's play it how it is. Yes, it is like it. So I want to change it now to a video. Here is, you have this file button here, just click on it, and now here is a lot of button which says new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, feedback options. So we can make a video from this we can change this PowerPoint file in 2 steps to video. So first step is just click on the save as, and here is browse where you can where you want to save this video. So I want to save it in desktop and change this name to test. So change here is a format which says .pptx. So change this to mp4. Here is mpeg4 video.mp4. Just click on it, and then here we have this button which says save. Just click on the save button and wait for this process to complete. So this step, if your computer can't do the step, wait for step 2. So let's play it how it is. Yes, you see there is a change to video. So let's play it again. Yes, and if you want to, this is now its quality is now, I will show you how it's MP4 now. Yes, it's MP4 file, and its quality is not so good. So if you want to save your video or your slide or your animation which you make in PowerPoint, if you want to save it in Ultra HD 4K quality, just click on this file button, and here we have this option which says export. Click on that, and here create a video. So here you can also change its quality. Its quality is standard, HD, Full HD, and Ultra HD 4K. So I want to save it Ultra HD 4K. Click on it, and here we have a button which says create a video. Click on that and select a location file, test, and click the save button and wait for it to complete this process, because it's Ultra HD 4K video. It will take a minute to complete. So this will complete it. Let's minimize this and see this Ultra HD 4K video now. Click on that. Wait to open. Yes, it's Ultra HD 4K. It's high quality. Let's play it. Yes. If you want to save your video in an Ultra HD quality, so you should open this panel with this file, export, create a video, change this quality just to 4K, and then click the create video. And if you want to just save your video, save as, browse your location and change this to MP4. So this was the summary of our tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and if you have any problem in this tutorial, just comment below. So goodbye everyone. Hello everyone, Halim here from Halim Tech YouTube. To the very last